Hello everyone and welcome to this class. In this class, let us learn about the names of different macrophages in different tissues. First of all, what are these macrophages? Well, let us start with this blood vessel. Okay. Now this blood vessel contains many kinds of cells. In those formed elements, there are three major classes of the cells. First is RBC, second is platelet, and third is, let us say, WBC for now. Okay. Now this WBC is further classified into many classes, and out of those classes one is monocytes. So what happens is these monocytes are also phagocytic cells, but they are not as phagocytic as the macrophages. Okay. So what happens is when these monocytes leave the blood vessels and enter into tissue, then these monocytes transform into a macrophage. Okay. Say this is macrophage. Okay. So these macrophages have different names in different tissues. So first of all, see here, the macrophages are monocytes that move to tissue. Okay, they move to tissue and they become macrophages. So why they have different names in spite being only macrophages is because we earlier we don't know that macrophages were there in the all the tissues, but later what happens is we came to find it that macrophages are found in different tissues, and due to that the names which were already given to the macrophages was still were still used nowadays also. Okay, let us start with the gut macrophage, which is interstitial macrophages or intestinal macrophage. These macrophages are those which are found in the gut, or you can say in stomach area. Then comes the lungs. Now as you know that lungs have those alveolar cells which help in the exchange of oxygen and CO2, okay, between blood and lungs. Now due to this specific function, the macrophages found inside the lungs are said to be alveolar macrophages. Then the third category, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the third category of the macrophages are found in the connective tissues. Okay, now as you know that the blood is also called as fluid connective tissue, but for that fluid part means blood, they have simply macrophages. But in rest of the connective tissues, the macrophages are known as histocytes. Then after that comes our liver, one of the major organ of our body and a detoxifier also. So the macrophages of the liver are called Kupffer cells. Then fifth number is that of kidneys. Now kidneys have mesangial cells. And sixth number is that for the brain. So after kidneys, it also starts from M, and brain's microglial cells. Microglial cells are found in brains. It also starts with M, but you can get it from glial cells, okay, which are found in brains only. Then seventh number comes for bones. So bones, the term osteo is related to bones. So osteoclasts are the macrophages in the bones. And the last, which is spleen, one of the secondary immune organ, there you can find splenic cells. That's it for this class. Thank you very much and see you soon.